CC200 case controller is our new electronic case controller solution. The CC200 solution has four main components: the main controller, the expansion module, the display, and our all-new Cold Chain Connect mobile app. CC200 is compatible with a variety of synthetic refrigerants as well as CO2. An all-new hardware design specific for refrigerated cases and walk-in boxes makes service and installation easier. The CC200 is capable of controlling air temperature, superheat, evaporator pressure in cases or walk-in boxes. It can control low, medium, and dual temperature case designs, as well as cases or walk-ins that have from 1 to 3 evaporators. CC200 can also control a stepper EEPR valve. The CC200 has an all-new hardware design that is specific for refrigerated cases and walk-in boxes. The connectors are all pluggable style connectors, which is easier for service and troubleshooting. The temperature and pressure inputs are color-coded to match the sensor wire insulation color, which makes connections and diagnosing issues easier. The CC200 expansion module is a CC200 accessory that offers all of the input, output, and valve connections required to control one additional evaporator. The expansion module can be added wherever additional evaporator is needed in a case or a walk-in box, or if a stepper EEPR valve needs to be added to the system. The expansion module has all of the inputs, outputs necessary to control superheat, pressure, and temperature for one additional evaporator. The expansion module snaps onto the side of the CC200 main controller and gets power and communication through that connection. The touchscreen display allows technicians to simply swipe, touch and hold the Bluetooth icon to turn on Bluetooth for the controller. And this allows you to connect with the Cold Chain Connect mobile app. The display also has some status icons around the outside edge of the display that lets the technician or user know what's going on with the fan, defrost, refrigeration, and lighting status. The Cold Chain Connect mobile app is our new mobile app that allows Bluetooth connection to the CC200 controller. The Cold Chain Connect app is available for Apple and Android devices and is free for new users to register and use. The Cold Chain Connect app allows users to connect directly to the CC200 controller to see a wealth of information about what's going on in the evaporator and with the CC200 controller. It allows technicians to see air temperature, pressure, superheat, controller status, as well as perform some useful service actions such as manual defrost or overriding valves and relays. Overall, the CC200 solution and the Cold Chain Connect mobile app gives technicians more access to data than any other case controller we've offered before. For more information, visit us online.